Let's practice using the table. Whatever number, whatever z we use and get the corresponding probability, that will be the area underneath the curve or probability between 0 and whatever z you look up. Remember, there's 0.5 probability to the right of the mean and also to the left of the mean. At 0.25, you see 0.0987. The number 1.00, and I get 0.3413, 0.83. 1.83 is 4664. 0.91 is this number here. 3186. Look up 2.0. 2.00 is 4772. Negative 1.0 is 0.3413. 2.00, 4772. 1.50 is 0.4332. 4332. All right, number 1, I've got z is between 0 and 0.25. I'm assuming that readings on the thermometers are normally distributed with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation at 1. That information right there tells you that you're dealing with z's. All right, so I'll draw my picture for number 1, and now I put my z, a 2z, 0 and 0.25, and I'm trying to find this area. So if you look at your table, 0.0987 is the answer. That's the probability. It's that probability right there. Number 2, I'm trying to find the probability in between a -1 and a 0. So I'm trying to find this probability. Now, the probability between 0 and -1 is the same thing as from 0 to 1. So I'm going to, and 0.3413 is that area right there. Number 3, I'm trying to find z is greater than 1.83. All right, well, here's your mean, which is 0. 1.83 is positive, so it's to the right of the mean. And we're trying to find this. Now, if we look up 1.83, let's look 0.4664 that's the area between 0 and 1.83. But I want greater than 1.83. So I need to say 0.5 minus 0.4664, and that gives me 0.0336 is my answer. Number 4. Okay, I'm trying to find z is less than -0.91, so I'm trying to find this area. If I look up 0.91, that's this area, 0.3186. That's not what I'm trying to find. I need to take 0.5 minus 0.3186, and that gives me 0.1814. Go to the next page, and 77. Let's examples. Here z is in between a -1 and a 2. So I'm trying to find all that area there. So go back to your table. That's this area, 0.4772. And now let's look up -1.0, 0.3413, 0.3413. And I want both of those, so I need to add 0.3413 plus 0.4772. And that gives me 0.8185. And that's my answer. That is the probability underneath the curve in blue. So now let's look at this last one. I'm trying to find the z in between here and here. Well, let's look up 2.0. If I look up 2.0, which is the same area as going from 0 to -2, from here to here, that area there is 0.4, let's change colors, 0.4772. And now let's look up 1.5, and that's going to give me this area. 1.5, that's this, 0.4332. So this number is too much. 0.4772, it's too much area. Now remember, we're trying to find this. So what we need to do is subtract off the 0.4332, and that will leave me 0.044, and that's that area right there, 0.044, or probability. Probability on the curve, area underneath the curve, it means the very same thing.